Swiveloc Manhole Cover Restraint System. A typical manhole cover rests in its frame, unrestricted on a recessed seat level with the street surface. Unless the cover is restrained into its frame, it can be readily removed with a simple manual pick tool. Moreover, during underground vault explosions from accumulated gases, these covers can become airborne missiles, reaching heights from 15 to 60 feet, with potentially deadly consequences. The velocity of this cover at impact was 38 miles per hour, with an equivalent mass for a 1-foot drop of 6.25 tons. Obviously, if these covers were securely attached to their frames through welding, bolting, or other means, there would be no means of escape for rapidly expanding gases, presenting the possibility of rupturing the street surface surrounding the manhole cover frames. The solution to this ubiquitous problem was discovered by a Michigan inventor. The challenge presented to the inventor was how to exhaust rapidly expanding gases during an explosion, while simultaneously preventing the incursion of atmospheric pressure into the vault, causing a secondary explosion of unburned gases. The answer was found in a concentrically displaced skirt integrated into a manhole cover casting containing a spatial array of angled and splayed exhaust ports. These exhaust ports direct the expanding gases into an area defined by the surface of the manhole cover seat, outer skirt wall, the inner frame wall above the seat, and underside of the manhole cover periphery. As the gases swirl and tumble within the defined space, they are diffused, increased in pressure, where they form a dynamic air dam. The air dam allows for controlled pressure release of the exiting diffused gases, while simultaneously preventing the incursion of fresh oxygen into the manhole vault, thereby eliminating the more massive secondary explosion. The upward travel of the manhole cover during an explosion is limited to approximately 2 inches by a locking lug and a radial extendable latch which contact the underside of the manhole cover frame. The latch and the lug are contoured to conform to the underside of the manhole cover frame. The latch housing is supported by twin carrier rails bolted to the manhole cover casting. The carrier rails are bored to receive a shear pin, a stop pin, and a swivel pin, located within complementary bores in the latch housing. The latch is extended and retracted with a ball end actuating bolt. The ball moves through an angular passage in the latch as the vertically displaced actuating bolt is rotated. Latch operation requires only 2 moving parts. Anti-corrosion treatment of the Swiveloc assembly employs thermal zinc diffusion galvanizing plating technology to achieve superior corrosion resistance protection. The 17-4 stainless steel latch resides within an oilite, oil-impregnated bronze liner, which requires 0 maintenance. Access to the actuator bolt is via a bore in the manhole cover over the bolt. The UV-protected glass-filled polypropylene access plug is tamper-evident and can be readily removed with a screwdriver. Swiveloc's innovative solution to this worldwide problem greatly improves public safety and concurrently addresses the issues of theft and unauthorized access to your underground infrastructure. Our experienced engineering team is fully prepared to develop a custom Swiveloc manhole cover restraint system for both your current retrofit needs as well as for all your future installations. Thank you for your interest in Swiveloc.